भाग 5 अंग्रेजी क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। ही खालिस्तान ड्रिंक बियर, नाउ ही ड्रिंक वाइन। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इन सबस्टेबल मॉडर्न फ्रॉम गिवन ऑप्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। ही यूज टू ड्रिंक बियर, नाउ द ड्रिंक वाइन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्टली स्पेंट वर्ड फ्रॉम द फ्लोइंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड फ्रॉम द फ्लोइंग। 92 ए। स्प्रेड्स और रिसीव। स्प्रेड और रिसीव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 93। आइडेंटिफाई द सेंटेंस दैट करंटली transform the flowing sentence in indirect speech. What did you eat from breakfast today? The doctor asked the patent होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 डी ए। The door asked the paintings what ate breakfast that day. And B. The doctor asked the painting what he have been eaten from breakfast that day. Everybody. Question number 93. Identify the sentence that correctly transform that flowing sentence in indirect speech. What did you eat for breakfast today? The doctor asked the paint. paint. A. Doctor answer. A. The doctor asked the painting what he ate the breakfast that day. फिर आंसर B. The doctor asked the painting what he had eaten for breakfast that day. Question number 94. If you want the film a scene in the slow motion, you run the camera twins of fast and usual, which sound ridiculous, but ends when the film camera is running at normal speed. It take 24 picture a second. When the film are run throughout the film projector in camera, 24 pictures a second appear on the screen. This is because the picture a second appear on that screen. This is become the camera which look the picture and projector which show them run at the same speed. If you are filling in slow motion, however, in camera runs at twins the normal speed at in split of the projector which so the film will run at the normal speed, and this means that the projector will be show the film at half the speed which was photographed on screen. Everything appear at half the speed at which the camera recorded it when it was filmed. In other words, things will be seen to be done in slow motion. For the below attention and reason, choose the correct alternative based on giving passive attention. The film scenes in the slow motive camera run twins and fast is usual reason. The camera which the look the picture and projector which the show them run and same speed 94 both AS or R is true but R is not not the correct explain for AS. Question number 95. Match the flowing word in anthems. Question number 95. Word in anthem means 95. A. Hearsay. Hearsay. Anthis. Hearsay. Anthis. फिर obfuscated clarified फिर fall essence fall essence फिर dormant dormant active